Okay guys, same day, much later in the day, we made it to the farm. The Toyota got us here. It would have been a lot quicker to walk the first time. This is the Wise farm here. And let me tell you, it looks a lot different with all this water in here. This never has water. And now it's flooded. Unbelievable. The farmhouse is over here, or what passes for a farmhouse. The washed out road where we broke down with the ATV is over there. There's a crazy boy. We were just driving up and down this new road, or the blacktop road here. Lots of problems. Lots and lots of problems. Lots of pumps running. So one place they cut the driveway to get the water through. We'll take a walk in through here and see what's what. This is somebody else's, but from here all the way out to the road, it's just one big body of water. Oh, unbelievable. And the latest rumor, there's another storm on the way. So, who knows? There's one pump running here. Everybody's trying to get rid of the water, which is very unusual because they're normally trying to find water. Look at the road. This road was raised last year. And this is what a new road looks like in the rainy season anyway. But back here behind me, it's washed out. That's why I didn't bring the truck in. Can get in with a motorbike, but nothing bigger than that. Look at this. Great place to drive a motorbike. This is where the road's washed out, just beside this house right here. I'll get another look down through here. This is amazing, huh? You never see water in these fields. Amazing, amazing. This is a pond. This pond's always been here, but the wife had it dug out, made it a little bit bigger last year, or in the dry season a few months ago, I think. And now she's overflowing. They got a net across here to catch anything that might decide to swim out. Apparently there was a lot of fish in here. Oh, I see a dead fish. See that? Climbing perch, I think. There he is. The water coming out of the lake and out of the farm, it's actually going under this road. Oh, there's a crab in the net, yeah? Yeah, fish in the net. I see them. Lots of fish in there, little ones, the little minnows. Wow, quite a few actually. Really cool. This is a new net. They just bought this today. It was a good investment by the looks of it. Lots of fish in there. There's another one coming out there. No net on that one. A couple of guys over here where the road's broke. Wondering how do I get to my farm. That's a big hole of nothing there. You see the water is coming from over that way. Coming through there. The old hay barn is not looking too good. This is why you don't build out of bamboo. Bamboo and eucalyptus, it looks like. And she's about to fall in. There's a tree here that fell down yesterday. We'll go take a look at that. These are the wife's cows. And a little baby one. I didn't know there was a baby one. Hello. Hello, dude. And this is all... Oh, the tree fell on the roof. Oh, that's not good, is it? Hello, little dude. Come on. Come say hello. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's telling lies to his mother now. Wow, look at this. Big tree. Wow. Holy crap. I took out half the barn. Oh, what are you crying about? Their farm stops right there where that empty, just a lake, looks like a lake there now. That's somebody else's. But half of this is underwater. Way over here, all this water you're looking at, that's the wife's aunt's farm.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Everything is gone over there, they said. The rice is already dead. That looks alright. This here does not look good. And the old well, there's 2 concrete rings above ground here. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, you go for it. What are you talking about, dude? This looks okay, but there's a lot of water coming through right there. Amazing, huh? This lake, I'm trying to think of how deep it is. 30 feet. There's frogs jumping everywhere. The normal level for this lake is at least 20 feet lower than what it is right now. I've never seen this before. Check this out. Got charcoal. This is where they make the charcoal. Oh, they have a pipe there now. That's why. Whoa, look at this, Don! You see that? All kinds of little fish going upstream. Oh, that one over there didn't make it. That's a gourami, that one, huh? Right there, spotted gourami. All kinds of fish going upstream here. Whoa. I don't think they're going to make it. There's a net there. Oh, that's too cool. That is really cool. Oh, I missed that. A lizard, I think. A lizard or a frog. I think it was a lizard. Just skipped across the water there. Oh man, look at this. Straight out. I still haven't done a charcoal video. You can see this is where they're doing it now. They also make it in the hole. They've made a lot of charcoal, mountains of it. It's actually turned into a pretty good business for them. Awake. Awake. Nothing? Got a shrimp. Oh, that's funny. There's all kinds of fish out here, huh? These little minnows. Tons of them out here in the water. That's too cool. Check out the farm bathroom. No luxuries here. Don't even have a door. There we are. Hello, Mama. Well, that's it, guys. Tour of the wife's big farm, or the big farm we call it. Too much water everywhere. I really hope we don't get any more, but it's threatening to rain right now, and there's supposed to be another storm coming in a day or two. Unbelievable. Looks like it's time to build a new barn, unfortunately. Alright guys, so that's it. As always, thanks for watching.